Hi, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get started with Enliven, our marriage study. We're very excited to introduce this 30-week marriage study for any marriage, military or civilian, that just seeks to better their marriage and awaken their marriage. We're really excited about it. It launches on December 9th, 2012. So as you can see here, we've pulled up insightc2.net. This is our webpage, and we're really excited about it. This is our home page. So I'm going to walk you through quickly how to get to Enliven and how to use it on our website. So as you can see, there's lots of different things on our website available for military spouses and soldiers and developing go teams and care teams. But what I'm going to take you through today is under marriage is our Enliven curriculum. So under marriage, you're going to see Enliven. You'll just go there. And this is the introduction page of Enliven and what it's about. So here's just a brief description about Enliven. There's a video here that's about 9 minutes that will explain a little bit more about how it works and our ideas behind it. You'll also see here mission statement, our vision statement, and don't forget that all of our marriage study each week will have a spiritual supplement that is optional. If you feel like you want a spiritual supplement and see each week's topic grounded in scripture, we're going to encourage you to go to Enliven Faith, which will be a blog that will have weeks set aside specifically for each of the week's topics in Enliven. So I'm going to show you a little bit about that here in a few minutes. So at the bottom of this page, you're going to see week 1 is already here. As the weeks are published on the website, you'll eventually see all 30 weeks here on this one page. So we're going to click on week 1. This will take you to week 1. Every week is going to have a couple of paragraphs here that will just kind of describe what you're about to do for this week and the topic that we're introducing. And each week will have some type of multimedia thing that we're going to add here. So we're going to keep them really brief, probably 3 to 5 minutes, either something that we have found that supports the topic, or if we haven't found it, we'll make a video for you to watch. Again, it'll be pretty brief, but it will just prepare you for the topic that we're going to address. So after you read through what's on the page, you watch the short video, you'll see 2 links here. This link right here will take you to the actual study that you'll be doing. It's a PDF file. We're working on what we can do to set it up where you can save it to your device, your iPad or your laptop or whatever, and be able to type on the PDF and save it for yourself. But you can also just print off the PDF and put it in a folder or whatever, mail it to your soldier if they're deployed, and do it that way too. So each week, this is the first week, and we have a couple pages that again go through the mission, vision statement, and some frequently asked questions. So we wanted to make sure that everybody had access to that. So that's in week 1. But we do have the first week's topic, which is expectations here. So similar to the web page, you're going to have a little bit in more detail some information about the topic for this week. It's expectations. So you're looking at maybe a page and a half, not much. And then let me explain how this works. There are 3 layers to Enliven. You can do all 3 layers, or you can do just one. Each layer goes a little bit deeper into the topic and applying it to your life. So for instance, using the metaphor of a tree, engage is the surface level, the easiest level. We called it branch out and become aware. It's all about awareness. It's about how do you apply that topic to your life and just become self-aware of whether or not it is in your life and whether or not it's an issue. So engage is going to be very surface level. You can stay and just only do engage for the full 30 weeks if you want to, but I have a feeling most people will want to take it a little bit deeper. So the next level is explore. We call that strengthening the trunk and making connections. This is a little bit more about taking the topic and how do you make connections to how that topic is an issue for your life and how it plays out through behaviors and how it affects your marriage and your family. And so it gets a little bit more into, is this really an issue and how does that play out in your life? Again, it's just 1 page, a few questions. And then the final layer is enrich. This gets to the root issue. For example, how do expectations play out, and what's the root behind how expectations play out in your marriage? And so it's sometimes going to challenge you to apply it to your marriage, to root issues about where this has come from in your life, and takes it to the deepest level. The last page is going to have some type of challenge. It will look something like this. It might be a quote. It might be something for you to, a challenge for the week. Whatever it is, it's going to take that topic for you and it's going to ask you to apply it to your life for that entire week and in your marriage. So we're encouraging you to cut these out, print them out, whatever, put them in a place where you can see them frequently on the refrigerator, on your mirror, somewhere where you're going to see them every day, and challenge you to think about it. So that's the PDF, that's the study. And then, of course, like I said before, for those who are interested in taking it to the deepest level as applying it to their faith and their spiritual life, you can click on the link Enliven Faith, and it will open up the spiritual blog for that week. So, for example, this takes you directly to week 1's blog for Enliven Faith on the topic of expectations. Just a very short blog that just kind of asks you to apply it to your life based on scripture and using challenging your faith. So that's about it. Every time you'll come here each week, it will be published. Each week's new topic will be published probably by Sunday late evening or Monday first thing in the morning. You'll just go to this main Enliven page where you'll scroll to the bottom and find that week's study. Don't forget that you can also come here to the drop-down menu and find Enliven Faith there, which will take you to the blog. And you can also find some extra resources where we'll put books that we like, links that we love, that sort of thing if you want some extra homework to do. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions. If you have any additional questions, please let us know. You can go follow us on Insight and also on Facebook. We're going to be starting the Enliven study ourselves on December 9th, so we would love to have you follow along with us. And on our Insight page, you're going to see us making a lot of comments just as a couple about how applying that topic to our life and how we're feeling about it, encouraging you along the way too. So we hope to see you there, and let us know if you have any questions.